Welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm making Biscoff cookie butter cookies. Stay tuned to see how I made it. Here I have my ingredients. I have butter, eggs, Biscoff cookie butter, brown sugar, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I also have vanilla extract and butter extract. And I also have Biscoff cookies to crush and put inside the cookie batter. I also have white chocolate chips to go in as well. To start, I'm going to mix my butter with my cookie butter. Next, I'm going to add in my brown sugar and my granulated sugar. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of butter extract. You also should scrape down the sides to make sure everything is fully incorporated. Now I'm going to add in my 2 room temperature eggs. Once that has mixed in properly, I'm going to add in my baking powder, baking soda, salt, and flour mixture. Next, I'm going to add in some of my crushed Biscoff cookies and some white chocolate chips. Once you have all the ingredients fully incorporated, you would want to put your cookie dough in the refrigerator for at least an hour to chill. Now that my cookie dough has chilled properly, I'm going to add in a few more white chocolate chips on the cookie dough before they go into the oven. I'm going to put these in the oven for 15 minutes on 350. When your cookies come out, you can place pieces of cookie butter cookies in the cookie while they're still hot. That way it'll set. I'm going to let my cookies completely cool before I drizzle it with white chocolate. Now that it is fully cooled, I will add my white chocolate drizzle to it. My cookies are finished. I love Biscoff cookie butter. I do it every year in various recipes. I hope you enjoyed today's Biscoff cookie butter cookie recipe. Please consider subscribing and come back for more recipes. Shalom.